good morning and good morning, good evening, good afternoon, crypto billionaires and millionaires. Yes, we are back in office, everybody. So we are on camera again. And one more time, everybody, you know why I'm not looking into your beautiful eyes is because I have another monitor here on the left. Okay. So welcome to the FXPassion's lazy crypto portfolio, everybody. Okay, all the Bitcoin millionaires and zillionaires and Shiba Inu and right. So this is Crypto Thursday with FXPassion, everybody. Now I'm going to change the picture because I got haters for the Lambo. You know, somebody said, oh, I don't like the Lambo, I prefer the Maserati. And somebody wrote last day, you know, oh, I don't like the Lambo, I prefer the Porsche. So okay, you know, we are going to change the picture. Everybody, make sense? Now give me a second. Okay, very good. So risk disclaimer, everybody. The webinars are not investment or trading advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. Don't invest or trade money that you cannot afford to lose. Crypto assets. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Dogelon, XRP, Polkadot, Waves, BTT. I don't even know what this means. So crypto assets carry a high degree of risk, everybody. And let me see. This is a sound check, everybody. Can you see my screen and hear my voice? Yes, okay, very good. So crypto assets carry a high degree of risk and are not suitable for all investors and traders, everybody. Always do your own homework before you act. What is the homework? Check the regulation in your country. Okay? What can you do and what you can? What is legal and what is not legal depends on country's regulation. Now talking about the Lambo and the yacht, everybody, I'm not a professional in cryptos, okay, but I'm a technical trader. You know me from the Forex course 101. Some of you know me from the Forex course 202. So I'm a technical trader and portfolio manager, and in my opinion, my humble opinion, the crypto market is going to produce millionaires in the next 3 to 5 years. One more time, in my opinion. And every first month of the week we are showing you every week the portfolio results, okay? And we are having the lazy portfolio course every 3 months. So somebody wrote the other day, you know, passion. So if you are, it doesn't matter, Thailand, Philippines, or any other low value currency country, yes, everybody, we are going to give you a 50% discount on the crypto course. Okay, Black Friday you're going to have. So if you are interested, everybody, send me a Skype message or send me a Gmail. Okay, like, oh, I'm interested, please give me more information. Okay, and please, if you want to be, you know, if you want to be notified of the last news, subscribe to the FXPassion Crypto Millionaire or Crypto Portfolio, you know, YouTube channel. Okay. Now that being said, everybody, we are going to check what happened this week. Okay, so this is from November 2nd. Singapore to position itself as global crypto center, says regulator. Okay, good news for cryptos in Singapore too. What you need to know about Biden's stablecoin. The much anticipated document has finally been released, and here is what the crypto so there is a document, everybody. The USA regulator, you know, they are willing to regulate cryptos. Okay, so good news for the cryptos again. Now, November the 3rd, group of exchanges call on Indian government to regulate crypto. Good news for cryptos too. October 30, right? The United States will become the global crypto and blockchain leader. Well, I'm not sure if this is the United States. It's rapidly embracing decentralized finance, the cryptocurrency sector, and the innovative industry. Well, I'm not sure if this is, influencing us. Gary, regulator, security. Okay, so hearing that the regulator will not ban cryptocurrency. Well, we don't know yet, until there is a document on the table. Biden administration to Congress. This is from November 1st. Biden administration to Congress puts stablecoins under federal supervision. Or we will, right? If US lawmakers don't act, regulators have the authority to take their own measures, according to the long-awaited report from the President's Working Group on Financial Markets. So we still don't know what is going to happen, right? Congress should also require custodial wallet. Well, they're trying to regulate cryptos, everybody. So this is good news again. Good news from CoinDesk. And we have Europe. Europe it's next. And this is from November the 2nd, everybody. Europe's MiCA, sounds like my name, right? Europe's MiCA, crypto rules are coming soon. Here is why they met what is MiCA, everybody? Markets in crypto assets. Okay, the European Union's market in crypto assets framework would dramatically simplify how crypto business can expand through the 27 nation bloc. Wow. So if you are from Denmark, and you know that right now Denmark, you should not, they are not pro cryptos. This is now maybe good news for you. Anyway, and everybody, this is the portfolio, those are the charts. And one more time, yeah? Hello Lucas, how are you? Lucas, we're going to talk next week for you to go into the Forex course 202, okay? You passed the test. Okay, you passed the test. Now everybody, this document, everybody, it's from Bank of England. Remember, I am one of the small group that I'm telling everybody, don't trade cryptos, don't trade, invest, yes, don't trade cryptos. Now, this is from Bank of England, the Bitcoin Rollercoaster. The percentage change in price from the day before. You have the pound fell 7% after the EU referendum. All prices haven't changed by more than 10%. Bitcoin went up by 65% in one day and down by 25% in the next day. How much is this change in percentage? Everybody, from 65 to 25 in 24 hours. From 2014 to the beginning of 2018, all prices didn't change by more than 10% in one day, unlike the value of Bitcoin, right, which changed significantly, rising by 65% in one day and falling by 25% on another day. Okay, make sense, everybody? Look here, what is Dogelon? This is, I don't want to get too technical because this is the lazy, you don't need to be a professional on this, but this is the competition of Shiba, everybody. This is Shiba's competition, right? And if you bought at 0.00002627 and then Gianpaolo got the Ferrari at 166 and you were looking at Dogelon at 216, right now it's 100, everybody, makes sense? It's maybe not that volatile, but still, You know, why would you, is just my opinion, but why would you trade something like this? Make sense? And don't say, oh, I'm going to trade Bitcoin, because there you have it. There you have it. A 40% change intraday, everybody. You know, the old guys, as we are, the old guys, everybody, we know, you know, no stop loss is going to help you in here. Make sense, everybody? Now, let's check the portfolio, right? Last 24 hours, you know, the portfolio was down, was down, was down, was down, was down. We made some modifications in here, everybody. Okay, we made some modification on the portfolio. So this is the last 24 hours, last 7 days, okay, for you to see that it's not the same chart. Those are not pictures, you know, different. So it's up and down, up and down. Last 30 days, you know, it's up and down, up and down. You know, last 90 days, we went from, what was here, for 2000 to roughly 8,700, and all time we started with 1,000 and we are, you know, 8,800, you know, 8,700. Okay, now we are going to have the Crypto Thursday on Dukascopy, everybody, you know, for the next 3 to 5 years. So this is the first year is running, right? Everybody, make sense? The first year is running. I hope that there is no date, or maybe, oh, we started on January, February, March, April, May, 12 of, everybody, I'm seeing the, so 12 of May was the start. 12 of May, okay, so 6 months, 6 months, everybody. What do you think? It's a theoretical question. What do you think, everybody, if this is the 6-month result, and now I'm setting it up in here, I didn't pay attention before. If this is the 6 months result, going from 1,000 to 8,800, what do you think is going to happen in the next, I mean, hopefully, right? It's all about regulation. It's all about regulation, everybody. It's all about regulation all over the world. What do you think is going to happen? Where is the, here you go. What do you think? It could happen, right? But compound interest, everybody, in the next, this is the good news for the people who are willing to listen to humble FXPassion here, okay? With this result, with this performance, okay, and with the compound interest going from 1,000 to 8,000, 7,000, whatever might be the case, in 6 months, 5 months, everybody, you know, you can come to 1 million easily, okay? Everybody, make sense? Yes, it's compound, every compound interest, okay? But you know, even let's take the conservative approach, right? If you come from 1,000 to 100,000, right? Not 1 million, okay? You don't have the Lambo, but if you come from $1,000, 1,000 euros, 1,000 reais, Lucas and me, to 100,000, you know, would you be happy, everybody? Would you be happy? And I'm telling you, hello Miguel, how are you? And I'm telling you, look around in your environment and try to figure out how many people, okay, how many people are making 100,000 euros or 100,000, you know, $100,000 or 100,000 whatever, okay, in 3 years. Make sense? maybe, yeah, maybe just a few, right? Maybe just a few. But how many are going to make 1 million in 3 years? You know, the percentage is it's getting smaller and smaller and smaller, agreed? Okay, everybody. And one more time, if you are interested to take part in the 1-day course, everybody, we are giving you a 50% discount. Okay? Black Friday discount. Just type, just say hello on Skype, or tell me, or send me an email, everybody. Okay, I'm interested in the Black Friday discount. Okay, I would like to take the lazy portfolio course, everybody. Okay, what you are not going to learn in the course, you are not going to learn about technology. Okay, we are not going to talk about smart contract, and we are not going to talk about blockchain. You know, we are going to use the lazy way. You know, 2 or 3, 4 different portfolio management approaches. We are going to check the different cryptos. We are going to clarify what is what. I'm going to tell you what I do every month. It's 15 minutes, not more. And you are going to have this result. Make sense, everybody? So it's always the same, right? You know, what can I, and this goes on YouTube, everybody, what can I guarantee, right? Oh, he's going to guarantee. I can guarantee you that if you are going to do what I do, just copy what I do. You know, you are going to have the same result. Make sense, everybody? It makes sense, right? Just do what I'm doing, you know, and it's, again, you know, compared to the crypto traders, you know, you are not going to be stressed. Make sense? Lucas saying, short, virtual cryptocurrencies will be used in virtual reality, in games and in social media. Thank you very much. Still, it also depends on regulation. This is interesting because everything indicates a more virtual world. A virtual world, yes, but not necessarily a financial market. Okay? Most of the news, Singapore, USA, India, USA, Europe, the 27 nation block, most of the news, it's pro-crypto. Okay? Still today. But this doesn't mean, everybody, that you don't have a systemic risk. Okay? I've talked to some guys in not Europe, in the USA, and they work in, I mean, this is a no-brainer, you can talk to them too, you know, it's nothing special. But they are working in the government, everybody, and regulation, it's quite simple. Regulation on the crypto is quite simple. So let's open the Bitcoin chart and let's tell you the good news and the bad news. Okay? Regulation for the next 3 to 5 years, it's quite simple. If they are going to find the way how to tax the profits on the crypto market, then they are going to regulate. Okay? This is the good news. What is the bad news? If the USA, you know, government is not going to be able to tax the crypto market, then they have the power to say, okay, dear Lucas, okay, dear Miguel, Europe too, dear Miguel, you can have your bitcoins, you know, in a hard wallet or in an exchange, but you cannot buy or sell bitcoins. You cannot use your crypto assets, everybody, cryptocurrencies, for financial transactions. Okay? Then this is game over. And somebody saying on the other streaming platform, Passion, you keep repeating this. Right? You told this already. Everybody, why I'm keep repeating this? Because I'm seeing every week people are taking savings, retirement plans, children's college fund, and they are putting into the crypto market. Make sense? If you want to invest, not trade, I'm against trading the cryptos, everybody, and here is the Bank of England telling you why, you know. But if you want to invest what it's called risk capital. Okay, what is risk capital? Risk capital is money that if it goes to zero, or if you lose it, or if the exchange disappears, or if some hacker hacks Bitcoin and it goes to zero, your life is not going to change. What? A cent? What's the saying? None. Make sense, everybody? It must be, and of course, greed, it's part of a human being, everybody, right? We are greedy, right? And this is also a big problem when we talk about trading the Forex market from the Forex course 101, you know, greedy, right? Greed, you know, Bitcoin 2018-17, greed made some people lost the house and lost the car. Okay, so we are over the news, everybody, for this week. This is the portfolio result so far. You are going to have a 50% discount on the, it's one day, it's very simple, it's a no-brainer. You have a 50% discount on the course, you know, and we are showing you with this result that it's worth. It's all about education, everybody. Now tell me, everybody, what cryptos do you want to check? I have here Bitcoin, I have Ethereum, Shiba Inu, and we are on the Dukascopy Webinars, so we can check the JForex platform, right? Cryptos, JForex platform. What cryptos do you want to check, everybody? We have Ethereum in the JForex platform, we have Bitcoin, we have Litecoin, we have EOS, XLM, XMR, and we have TRX. Which one do you want to check? If you have any specific question, please feel free to. Paul, Shiba Inu. Paul, do you want the Lambo, Paul? Do you want the Lambo? Everybody? Shiba Inu, well, Shiba Inu, I believe it's not, let me check, I believe Shiba Inu, it's not on JForex. Shiba Inu, where is the crypto curve? Oh, 19 night. Oh, great. We have ADA, Atherton token, Bitcoin, Dashcoin, EOS, wow. Chainlink, new, Polygon, wow, Tron, Stellar, Yarn, Avi, Bitcoin Cash, Compound, Engine, Litecoin, Maker, Uniswap, and Monero. Okay, so Shiba Inu, it's on TradingView, everybody. Not a problem, Dukascopy is using TradingView too. And I knew it. Yeah, I want the Lambo. You know, Shiba Inu is here, everybody. What's the plan? What's the plan? Paul, did you listen to our previous Crypto Thursday when I was talking about Shiba Inu? Paul, Shiba, please. Yes, sir, Miguel. Shiba Inu is not on JForex. Thank you very much, Miguel. Did you listen what happened on Shiba Inu, everybody? So what do you think, right? What do you think, everybody? Lucas, sir, I don't want the Lambo but financial freedom. Paul says no. Everybody, if this is your first time, go back and please subscribe to the crypto me. I'm going to put the link, just give me a second. I'm going to put the link, or you can check the, of course you can check the Dukascopy webinar page, right? So you have the previous episodes. Okay, anyway, you have the link here. Okay, everybody, are the same webinars from Dukascopy are on this channel too, with Dukascopy's permission, of course, everybody. Okay, now what's the plan? What do you think, everybody, about Shiba Inu? What's the question? Paul, first time here, thank you very much. Okay, Shiba Inu, what happened, everybody? You know, so Paul, it's your first time. I'm one of the small group of people online, teachers, who are telling people not to trade cryptos. Okay, but yes, invest in the long run. Okay, and as the Bank of England is saying, everybody, especially Paul, this is his first time, you know, crypto assets are too volatile. Oh, I have Shiba here, so I can go back to Bitcoin here. Bitcoin. Okay, so Paul and everybody else, just quickly, you know, I don't want to repeat myself, but you know, if a professional trader in the Forex market, it's risking 0.5% per trade. Okay, 0.5% per trade, you know, and you have an intraday change. Bitcoin daily chart, you have an intraday change. Just an example, you have an intraday change on Bitcoin from 43,000 to 30,000 intraday. How much is this in percentage? Everybody, I'm telling you, you cannot win this game trading. I'm telling you, everybody. Oh, but Gianpaolo did. Ask Gianpaolo to show you the last 6 months of results trading cryptocurrencies. Okay? Ask Gianpaolo or John or whoever is trading cryptos, show me your last 6 months of a year, you know, that you are making consistent profits on crypto, on trading the cryptos. Okay? And this is Shiba Inu. Okay? John, Paul, hello Mara, how are you? Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali to you. Okay? Paul, do we agree, everybody, and Paul, that the crypto market is a completely new market? Right? Do we agree that the crypto market is a completely new market, everybody? Yes, right? Okay. And do we agree that the crypto assets are completely different from, so the crypto market, everybody, number one, it's totally new. And do we agree that the crypto market, it's totally different from the Forex market, and it's totally different from the stock market? I don't trade, buy and hold. Now you are speaking my language. Now you are speaking my language. How are you doing so far, Paul? How are you doing so far? Everybody, how are you doing so far? Buy and hold. Now you are talking our language, right? You know, you can give it a thumb down, everybody. I don't care, makes sense? You can give it a thumb down on YouTube, you know, but don't come crying back. Every week people are calling me, you know, oh, this happened with my cousin, this happened with my sister, this happened with my brother, please help me, everybody. We start a new show on TradingView because more than 30 people send emails, you know, I lost trading cryptocurrencies, you know, Oh, but 30 people is nothing. Those are the honest ones. Believe me, you have friends and family who lost and you don't know. I have friends and family who are, oh, you know, Bitcoin this and Dogecoin that and Shiba Inu that, you know, and today they are quiet. Few $1,000s in profit. Very good, great, excellent. Congratulations. Congratulations, Paul. See everybody what Paul is doing? Buy and hold. Why would you stress out, you know? Where is Shiba? There you go. Why would you stress out, risk too much on something that you don't need to? I'm going to tell you why. Because you want the Lambo tomorrow, right? This is why. I'm calling this, everybody, the lazy approach. Do what me and Paul, what we are doing, you know, take the lazy approach. But I want the Lambo tomorrow. You need to be lucky, everybody, you know, okay? Some of you know Gianpaolo, and Gianpaolo got the Lambo with Bitcoin, right? And the same Gianpaolo bought the Maybach, what is the name of the car? With the Dogecoin, and the last time the same Gianpaolo bought the Ferrari with Shiba Inu, right? Now this is Gianpaolo, everybody. Let's talk about Alex. Alex lost a house on the same day that Gianpaolo got the Lambo with Bitcoin. Alex lost a house. Passion, I don't understand. This is what you don't understand, everybody. Trading cryptos. Gianpaolo got in here, and Gianpaolo didn't have idea, didn't have a clue, and he exits up in here without having a clue what he's doing. Alex, his friend, he didn't enter here, he bought in here. He took his college fund of the kids, he took the retirement plan, he took a mortgage on the house, and he lost the house. The same day that Gianpaolo got the Lambo, Alex lost the house. Then Doge USA. Let's talk about Dogecoin. A few months later, Gianpaolo got the Maybach. I don't know how it's the pronunciation, or the, what is the expensive car? Well, whatever, right? Okay, Maybach. Okay, Gianpaolo got in here and he exit up in here. Okay, and he didn't have a clue what he's doing. He didn't know, you know. Why not? Because Gianpaolo, we love him. He's a plumber. He's not even a trader, not an investor. He's a plumber. And he's playing around with cryptos. You know, $100 there, $200, you know. And again, Alex, his friend, he said, you know, gosh, you know, again, Gianpaolo, so I'm going to enter on Dogecoin, you know. And remember, Alex lost the house already. And in the same day, Gianpaolo got the Porsche, right? You know, he got the Lambo, he got the Porsche. Alex came late to the party and he lost his car too. And the same Gianpaolo, you know, he got the Ferrari from Shiba Inu, right? Because he entered in here and exit up in here. Make sense? And the same Alex who lost the house, who lost the car, he lost his family. He lost his family, and this is not a joke anymore. You know? Everybody, no, it's not a joke anymore. Now we are getting there. You know? Alex got, though, man, you would not believe, everybody, how many stories are all around the world. You have no idea to how many people this happened. Just look around. It's difficult because those guys and those girls, those people are quiet. But ask the grandfathers or you know, the relatives, you know, somebody lost a house, and because the significant other loves him or her, he said, okay, just honey, don't do it, don't do this anymore. Lost a house on Bitcoin. Okay, put the mortgage on Bitcoin and went down, entered at the wrong time. And then, you know, the guy or the girl lost the car. And the significant other told him, you know, this is the last time, next time I'm going to divorce you. You know, don't do this anymore, honey, you know. And then Shiba Inu comes along, and this was Alex. He lost the house, he lost the car. Gianpaolo have, you know, Gianpaolo had 3 cars and 5 yachts and everything, you know, and he has 8 wives. Alex, you know, lost the family in here. Everybody, those are true stories. It's not a joke anymore. Make sense? It's not a joke. And what people don't want to realize, everybody, you have maybe a Gianpaolo in your city, maybe Gianpaolo is your neighbor. But we got Shiba Inu in our portfolio. I'm telling you, we had no idea that this is going to happen. No idea. Okay? This is why I'm telling you, do you want to give me a thumb down on YouTube? Give me, I don't really care. Because I'm seeing the lives of people, you know. And I'm seeing Gianpaolo, and I'm talking to Gianpaolo, and he's honest, and he's going to tell me, you know, I had no idea. Me too, everybody. And we are at Dukascopy Webinars. Dukascopy, it's an investment bank, and I'm telling you, we are talking to different traders and different analysts, you know, and everybody's saying Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and for the future reference, whatever might be the case, nobody knows. Oh, but it's supply and demand. Well, thank you very much, we know this, but nobody knows why, where, and how the currency, not the currency, the currency, right? The crypto pair, the crypto assets, the cryptocurrencies are going to move. You know? Look at Polkadot right now, right? Oh, you know, I'm greedy, I want the Lambo tomorrow, and Polkadot, it's brilliant, so let's take the retirement of my grandparents and let's buy Polkadot in here. Who is telling you that tomorrow Polkadot is not going to be at 400 and you lost 80% of your parents' retirement? Everybody, risk capital. Risk capital. Okay? And I know because I have friends and family too, and most of the young people, right? They want the Lambo tomorrow, you know? And I have a cousin who is 17, you know, and he's, you know, he's breaking my balls, pardon my English, you know. Oh, passion, teach me, tell me, teach me. The Forex market, yes. The crypto market, no. Oh, but, you know, what would be the name, you know, John and Joanna are trading, you know, and they are making money. And I told my cousin, ask them for 6 months, you know. Oh, they are on Binance and Kraken and Coin Mama or whatever. And I told him, you know, ask them to. So I said to my cousin, let's make a deal. Let's make a deal. What's the deal? If you can show me from your friends a 6-month report, okay, of consistent profits, okay, then I'm going to teach you the cryptos. And guess what? Paul, Lucas, Myra, and Miguel, guess what? Did he come back with 6 months of profits from the friends? Lucas saying, Sir Passion, what would you do if governments don't regularize crypto? What's the plan? Where we are, this is why, great question, This is why we are checking the news. This is why we are checking the news. And if we see that there is a great probability that the government are going to ban cryptos for financial transactions, then we are out, Lucas. But again, we are in, this is risk capital, everybody. Okay? Maybe this, let's have a BS conversation, alright? It's going to be BS. Let's have a BS conversation, everybody. Let's say that the USA or Europe is going to ban cryptos when I am sleeping, you know? And I just wake up and the portfolio is down to 1,000 or 0. You know? No big deal. Oh, but you, so let's say that you have a million, right? Million in here. Okay? You have a million, and then the USA and Europe, you know, during the night time, night shift, you know, because everybody was sleeping, they banned the cryptos. So you wake up and your million, it's down to 300. No big deal, right? No, it hurts, of course it hurts, but no big deal. Why no big deal? Because it's risk capital, you know? But you lost from a million to 300. It's risk capital. I'm going to buy a used Lambo. What can I tell you? Make sense, everybody? Risk capital. Your life is not going to change. But if you put your children's scholarship into the crypto market, or a retirement plan, or you know, you take a loan, you take a loan on your real estate, a house, you know. If you have 2 houses, it's something different. But if you take a loan and you put in the crypto market, hoping to, you know, praying to God that the government are not going to ban, don't do this, you know. Why? Because you are playing, everybody, you are playing with your life, and you are betting. It's a bet on luck. Make sense? Don't do this. Oh, but Gianpaolo got the Ferrari. Gianpaolo got lucky. Okay? Gianpaolo got lucky. Okay, Lucas, what would you do if government don't regularize cryptos? You know, they are going to do something, everybody. Believe me, in the next 3 to 5 years, and we are searching the news, as you can. You know, we are searching the news every week. You know, group of exchanges call on Indian government to regulate cryptos. Okay? And Biden administration to Congress put stablecoins under federal supervision. Something is going to happen in the near future, everybody. Okay? It seems like all good news, but never forget, everybody, it's a game of power. It's a game of power, and it's called this one. Never forget this, everybody. This is the game. Okay? And believe me, if USA or Europe are going to ban, hopefully not, I believe not, but still the risk exists. If they're going to ban, if one big country bans, you know, and those government officials, like we are, you know, they know each other, they have the meetings and they talk to each other, you know. If USA or Europe bans cryptos, it's adios, papa, game over. Make sense, everybody? So maybe something's going to change. For the time being, in my opinion, everybody, it's the next 3 to 5 years. Okay? So Polkadot is in here, Shiba Inu, okay? Shiba Inu in here. Okay, remove drawings. I got this question too. Passion, can I use Fibonacci in the crypto markets? I don't know. Passion, can I use support resistance trend lines? I don't know. How can you don't know? It's a new market. I cannot tell my students and my traders, you know, oh, just trade the... Let's put a Fibonacci in here, you know, because it's in a down retracement and and Shiba Inu is going to find a confirmed C, and Shiba Inu is going to hit the projected D extension. I cannot say this, everybody. Why not, Passion? Because Alex is going to listen to this webinar on YouTube. He is going to take real money and he is going to trade. Okay? And he's going to win. How do you know? It's a new market. Cryptocurrencies. Come on, TradingView. Cryptocurrencies are a new market. Make sense? And one more time, you don't want to hear this out, right? We are talking to different professional analysts and we are talking to professional traders, and we are telling you all the same. I am, or we are afraid of trading the crypto market. Why are you afraid? Because I cannot risk 0.5% of Shiba Inu and win. Why not? Because the intraday change. What is this? The daily chart. Because the intraday change from 6,000 to 900 to 5,200. How much is this in percentage? Intraday. And the stop loss goes on the pattern traded. I'm going to lose most of the time. And we are keep telling you, don't fall prey on crypto wizards on YouTube and online. They are, they are showing you one candle, and you can see it's a demo account, and they're up 200% on one candle. Why? Because this is betting on luck, everybody. So XRP will be a huge risk to banks. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Banks too. Thank you, Paul, for the question. Banks to everybody, every institution, okay, and governments, it's all the same. Are all the same reason. It's called regulation. Okay. We don't know what is going to happen with XRP. We have no idea. Make sense? Now, what the banks are doing, everybody, and so hedge funds, broker, they are allowing traders, not professional ones, but the Jean Paulos and Alex, they are allowing to trade. Why? Because they are earning the commission. Make sense? I was talking to a CEO of a brokerage house, and we know each other, and I'm asking him, John, you know that most of people are going to get burned, John. And he said, yeah, I know. And I tell, man, come on, why are you doing this? And what was the answer? From the CEO, owner of a brokerage house. Well, the board of directors gave this mandate to me, and this is what they asked me to do. Make sense, everybody? A broker, it's a company. An exchange, it's a company. They want the money. They are not doing this because they like you. Make sense? They are doing this because they want a commission. You buy Shiba Inu and you sell Shiba Inu, and you hedge Shiba Inu, and every time you do something, a few cents, a few dollars, it depends where, when, and how, goes to the broker. Make sense? So Shiba Inu here, remove drawings, right? So one more time, everybody, it's no secret. I have Shiba Inu in my portfolio, but we entered here. Okay? And I didn't sell. Oh, you should sell. We are not trading cryptos. You are not getting it, everybody. Portfolio management, it's not trading. Make sense? It's a the difference between a trader and everybody, the difference between a trader and an investor, it's a different Shiba Inu. It's a different mindset. Okay? It's a different mindset. A trader wants to sell in here and have the good life. An investor, it's, as Paul is saying, we buy and hold. And when Shiba Inu is going to come to this level, hopefully, we don't know, we have no idea, for this level, we are going to look at our portfolio. We are going to check the metrics, which I explain in the course, everybody. And maybe we are going to put more money in Shiba Inu. Make sense? But not right now. You can do whatever you want, everybody. Those Crypto Thursdays, you know, this Crypto Thursday, it's not an investment or trading advice. See here is disclaimer. The webinars are not investment or trading advice. Okay? Don't invest and trade money that you cannot afford to lose. Crypto assets carry a high degree of risk and are not suitable. I'm going to buy Polkadot. Most crypto assets are not suitable for all investors and traders. And do your own homework, check regulation in your country. Okay? And one last time, everybody, we are going to give you a 50% discount on the crypto course. Okay? Just one day, believe me, you are going to learn a lot, but it's nothing special in the end. We are just using 3 different portfolio models and this is the result. Okay, crypto millionaires and billionaires. Our Crypto Thursday, it's over. See you back on Tuesday. Now see you back on Monday in the Forex course 101. Okay? Have a great weekend, everybody. Thank you for your time. And stay strong and invest in crypto with passion. This is FXPassion.